Right. So we will start with the colors.
Hello
Guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today we're going to do another Sinhala session with my husband because he would like to learn Sinhala in this year. So today we're going to focus colors and food. If you would like to learn Sinhala, we already made 2 videos, so you can check it out. So yeah, let's start it. So would you like to do first the colors or food first?
Let's do colors.
Colors? Okay. Yeah. First, I want to say for color means in Sinhala, pata.
Okay.
You want to write? So, pata.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pata.
Yeah. So, for example, what is my favorite color? You know. So.
Kalu pata. Sorry.
It's not my favorite color.
Ratu pata.
Oh, yes, it's correct. Okay, it's correct. Rot in German and it's in English, red. And in Sinhala, ratu. Okay, ratu pata. What is black? Do you know?
Oh, I just said it. It's kalu pata.
Yeah, you told it.
Oh, got nice kalu hair.
Yes, kalu pata.
What is hair in Sinhala?
Konde.
Kalu konde. Well, konde kalu.
Kalu konde.
Kalu konde.
Yes. Kalu konde. And then what is white? Don't watch here. Don't watch the answers. So, do you know what is sudu?
That's me. It's
Sudu.
Sudu pata.
Yes, correct. Okay.
It's Sudu.
Yeah.
And I draw a picture of myself.
Sudu.
So.
And then what? Do you know what is groen? Groen. Groen, like a green. You know?
Yeah, it's cola pata.
How do you know?
I'm a multilingual genius.
No. So, okay. Do you know what is blau? It is nil. Exactly, not
like
nil.
Really short, you know?
Yes,
okay.
Nil. And
Nil pata.
dam is lila.
Is blau. What again? Sorry?
Dam
is
lila, like purple.
dam. Okay.
Yes. Orange. So we call it tambili. Tambili, you know?
B and again like li.
Yes,
yeah,
tambili.
Okay.
And you know what?
Orange, yeah.
And for the king coconut, we call it tambili. Pink color.
Rosa.
Yes, rosa pata.
Rosa.
Rosa. Is like in German gelb is kaha. Ha. You know, we called a turmeric kaha.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so you can remember with that also. For a brown, we call it dumburu. And for a gold color, we called this gold jewelry and everything rattaran. We call the same for the color also.
Rattaran.
Yes.
Gold. That's ring, like the ring.
Mudda.
Rattaran mutta.
Yes. For silver, we call it ridi.
Ridi muttu.
Yes. Other like basic colors. And then light brown or light blue or something.
So everything is light, yeah?
Yeah. Call for everything la.
So hellbraun, basically, yeah?
Yes. Like, hell part is la.
With H at the end or just L-A?
L-A, like la.
Okay.
La dumburu. Light red. Do we even say that?
Wait, what was red? La ratu.
Perfect. So for everything, like a lighter shade of these basic colors, we call it la. Okay? La nil, la dam, la rosa. If it is darker shade, we call it tada.
Tada.
Yes. So like tada dumburu.
Tada dumburu. Tada ratu. Do you have any word for gray?
Yes. It is alu. Like aluminium maybe, you know, I don't know.
Aluminium foil, okay.
So, is there any other color that you would like to know?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, so now we're going to learn about food. Most important part, okay?
Kalu but.
There's no black, okay?
Oh, there is.
Yeah, but...
Some.
First one is our favorite one. But. You know what is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Rice.
Perfect. But, yes. And then a tea, like in German Tee, is Tee.
Surprise.
It's Tee. For cake,
Cake.
we call it cake also. For your favorite pot, we call it pan.
Pan. Mostly what you are doing is kalu pan.
because I'm burning them. So, okay. So, for any curries, we call it curry also. Okay.
Yes.
A fish, we call it malu.
Malu bali.
You know that?
Yeah,
Yes.
malu
Yes.
bali.
And for flesh, we call it mas. For example, for
Yes.
chicken, we call it kukul mas.
Kukul mas.
For any type of mas, we use that mas word.
Just put it in.
For Gemüse, for vegetables in English, we call it elevulu.
Gemüse.
Yes. And for fruits, in German Obst, we call it palaturu. They are rhyming together, no? Milk, kiri.
I know that.
Kiri.
There's a German cream cheese.
Yes, yes.
And the advertisement was almost like
kiri.
Kiri, kiri, kiri.
Yes, yes. So, and then for water, you know that.
Batura.
Yeah.
Batura is agua.
Spanish agua. So, for kartoffeln, which is also your favorite, alle.
Alle.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And for onion,
Oh, onion.
for onion, it is lunu.
Lulu.
Tomato, we call it, you know,
Potato, tomato.
takali. Takali.
Takali is
Yes.
tomato.
For chili, we call it miris.
Miris.
Yes.
How do you say it's spicy?
Sarai.
Sarai. So it has, okay.
For salt, in English salt, we call it lunu.
But it is the same as onion.
That's different. Lunu.
Lulu.
But for salt, we call it lunu.
Of course. My bad. Lulu.
Okay, so that's the difference.
Lulu and Lunu.
Ingwa, in ginger, we call
Ingwa.
it, yeah, inguru.
Inguru.
Yeah, it's kind of similar to your one, you know. Next one is garlic. So, what is the word for onion?
Lunu.
And the white onion?
Sudu. Lunu.
Perfect, that's a garlic.
Knoblauch.
Yes. And for any powder, we call it kudu.
Kudu is powder.
Yes.
Okay.
So, miris kudu, you know?
Kudu is kudu.
Yes. Then milk powder.
Kiri kudu.
For there, we a little bit different. We call it kiripiti.
Why you ask me then?
Okay.
Do we know the name of milk powder? Kiri
Kudu.
Kiri kudu. Ah no! You silly. It's
Kiripiti. So, and what is butter? Same. Butter. We tell butter, you know. We call it butter. And you know what is egg?
bitter.
Bitter. Okay?
Bitter.
Coffee.
Kopi.
Yeah. Do you know also sugar?
Sini.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
With Z or no with S?
Yeah. Chickpeas. It is kadala. And for bonen, if not in English beans, bonchi.
Bonchi. That's cute.
Only 3 more. Hornish, we call penny.
Penny. What is shoot better, yeah?
Shoot bad, like baby, you know. And for jackfruit, we call it kos.
Kos.
Yes. And the last one is banana. Do you know that?
No.
Kessel.
Kessel.
That's it. And
Class dismissed.
no.
Yes.
We will do some exercises. Few questions as the reminder.
Few questions for you.
And for
Stay
you.
sharp, answer.
So, what is pink color?
Rosse Padu.
Pate.
Pate.
What is rot flower?
Ratu Pate.
Perfect. Okay. So, what is kiwi?
Milch.
What is potato?
Alu.
Alle.
Alle.
Yeah. And the last question, what is tomato?
Takali.
Perfect. All right. Today the lesson is done. See you in next week.
See you.
See you in next.
Bye.
See you in
Love
next.
you.
See you in next video.
Like, subscribe. Put some comments down below.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye bye.